celebrating 40 years of Master of
Yeah,
Puppets, an
Master of Puppets.
era-defining heavy metal
40
milestone.
years old.
Yep.
I was 14 years old when that record
Yeah.
came out.
Right. It was 12.
Which it kind of makes sense. Remember how we go back into saying like, yeah,
Yeah.
Puerto Rico,
Right.
13 years.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So yeah, man, that's me leaving Puerto Rico, coming into Florida,
Yeah.
and actually that's when I was in my life changed.
Yeah.
My life completely changed, and I
Yeah.
really haven't looked back, to be honest with you.
Yeah. Yeah.
You
Yeah.
know, so Master Puppet turns 40. That was a great influential, record in my life. I know that is influential in most people, and that's one of those top heavy metal rock records there is.
Yes.
So what's your take on Master of Puppets?
You mean you said it all. When you it's one of those foundational albums. Everything that comes afterwards comes from and it's influenced by things like Master of Puppets. So it's one of those cornerstone.
Reflect on how music shapes your life's
Yeah.
journey.